In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix banner. If you've been working on a website in Wix, you've probably seen that small banner or element that appears on your page and you've decided it doesn't fit your design. Maybe it's a promotional strip, a decorative banner, or just a placeholder section that came with the template. Whatever it is, removing it is actually very simple. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, so you feel confident making this change on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you've opened the site you want to edit in the Wix editor. You should be in the main editing view, where you can see your page and all the different elements laid out on the screen. Give the page a moment to load so that all of the sections and banners appear correctly. Now, move your mouse over the banner you want to remove. Take a second to be sure you're selecting the correct element. Sometimes there are multiple overlapping sections, like a header strip, a menu, or an image behind the banner. Slowly hover your cursor until you see that the specific banner is highlighted or outlined, which shows that the editor has selected that element. Once the banner is clearly selected, right-click on it. This means pressing the right mouse button while your cursor is directly on top of the banner area. When you do this, a small context menu will pop up on the screen, usually next to your cursor. This menu gives you a list of actions you can perform on that specific element. In that menu, look for the option that says Delete. It may appear near the bottom of the list. Once you see Delete, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click, the Wix banner will be removed from your page in the editor view. Take a moment to scroll through your page and make sure everything still looks the way you want. If you accidentally deleted the wrong item, you can use the undo button in the editor to bring it back right away. When you're happy with the result, remember to click Save, and then publish if you want the changes to go live on your public site. That's all there is to it. With just a right click,